we find ourselves in arguably the most impressive park of Bucharest, King Michael I Park. Here's a glimpse of what you can explore in this vicinity. Embark on a tranquil lake cruise. We'll guide you through it. Stroll along a strip adorned with numerous statues, including majestic Caryatids gracefully bearing water vessels throughout the park. The park offers a serene escape from the bustling city, perfect for leisurely pursuits. Let's begin our exploration. Are you ready for an adventure on the lake? You have two fantastic options to explore the beautiful waters. You can either rent a small boat and row yourself, or, for an even more exhilarating experience, board a small cruise ship that will take you on a stunning tour around the lake. Guess what? We chose the latter option, and we couldn't be more thrilled. As you approach the lake, you'll notice a cashier conveniently located just across the moored boats to the right. Don't worry about spending too much time waiting. The tour takes less than 30 minutes to complete, ensuring you have plenty of time to enjoy the rest of your day. Once aboard the cruise ship, get ready to be amazed as you sail through the calm and serene waters. The boat will circle a significant portion of the lake, allowing you to take in the breathtaking scenery from all angles. And guess what? The best part is that you can conveniently view the delightful restaurants on each bank of the lake as you sail by. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal with a stunning view. So why wait? Choose the option that promises excitement and relaxation in equal measure. Hop aboard the small cruise ship and let the enchanting lake take your breath away. Get ready for an unforgettable experience that will leave you wanting more. Now, let us proceed with our journey, and we will reconvene shortly as we continue our exploration of the park, progressing towards the inlet and the statues located at the opposite end of the park. Herăstrău Park offers a wealth of other attractions that are worth exploring. Let's mention two notable sites that you can discover within the park, and we will cover in separate videos: the Hard Rock Cafe Bucharest and the Michael Jackson Memorial Monument. For music enthusiasts and food lovers, the Hard Rock Cafe Bucharest is a must-visit destination within Herăstrău Park. This iconic establishment combines the vibrant energy of rock and roll with a delectable dining experience. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by an impressive collection of music memorabilia, including guitars, costumes, and other artifacts from legendary musicians. Indulge in mouth-watering American cuisine, savor signature cocktails, and enjoy live performances by local and international artists. Whether you're a fan of rock music or simply seeking a lively atmosphere, the Hard Rock Cafe Bucharest promises an unforgettable experience. Another notable site within Herăstrău Park is the Michael Jackson Memorial Monument. Erected in honor of the legendary King of Pop, this monument serves as a tribute to his enduring legacy and contributions to the world of music and entertainment. The monument captures the essence of Michael Jackson's iconic dance moves and charismatic stage presence, allowing fans and admirers to pay their respects and reflect on his remarkable career. It stands as a testament to the global impact of his music and the profound influence he had on popular culture. In a couple of minutes, we will leave the lake behind and we walk along the waterfront and reach Insula Trandafirilor, so now it's a good time to talk about it. Insula Trandafirilor, which translates to Rose Island, is an island and garden within the park, known for its natural beauty and recreational opportunities. The island is a popular attraction within the park, offering visitors a serene and picturesque environment to explore. It is situated in Parcul Herăstrău, just north of Piața Victoriei, on both sides of Chișinău. The island is a part of the overall charm of Herăstrău Park, providing a peaceful retreat within the bustling city of Bucharest. One of the island's remarkable qualities is its ability to provide a peaceful refuge amidst the vibrant pulse of Bucharest. Here, the urban cacophony fades into the background, replaced by the gentle rustle of leaves and the melodious chirping of birds. It is a place where one can pause, breathe, and reconnect with nature without ever leaving the city. The island's charm and tranquility make it a must-visit destination for those seeking respite from the urban grind, offering a moment of peace amidst the city's relentless pace. Insula Trandafirilor significantly enhances the beauty of King Michael I Park in several ways. Firstly, it serves as a natural oasis within the park, boasting a unique blend of flora and fauna that contributes to the park's biodiversity. The island is adorned with parallel promenade walkways, creating a visually stunning spectacle that is truly a feast for the eyes. This vibrant floral display not only enhances the park's aesthetic appeal but also provides a fragrant ambience that further enriches the visitor's experience. Secondly, the island is home to a central monument dedicated to the European Union, adding a touch of historical and cultural significance to the park's landscape. This monument serves as a focal point on the island, drawing visitors in and providing a space for reflection and appreciation. Lastly, the island's location within Lake Herăstrău and its accessibility via 3 bridges contribute to the park's unique layout. These bridges themselves are architectural features that add to the park's beauty, while the island's position on the lake offers stunning water views and a sense of tranquility. Insula Trandafirilor, with its blend of natural, architectural, and cultural elements, significantly enhances the beauty of King Michael I Park. It provides visitors with a captivating and engaging environment, inviting them to immerse themselves in the park's enchanting ambience and discover the wonders it has to offer. As we make our way towards the captivating area of the Caryatids, we embark on a delightful stroll through the picturesque park, surrounded by the majestic canopy of trees. Before we arrive at our destination, allow us to introduce you to a remarkable statue nestled at the far end of the park, ensuring we don't miss out on its splendor. Located in Herăstrău Park at the entrance from Charles de Gaulle Square stands the magnificent statue of Charles de Gaulle, unveiled to the public in 2006. Nestled within the enchanting Herăstrău Park in Bucharest, Romania, lies the captivating Aleea Cariatidelor, also known as the Alley of the Caryatids. This remarkable pathway is a testament to the rich artistic heritage of the city and is revered as one of its most significant artistic attractions. Originally envisioned and crafted by Constantin Baraski in 1939, the alley showcases a mesmerizing collection of statues that pay homage to the peasants from Musul and Mehedindi regions. These statues depict the peasants adorned in traditional folk costumes, skillfully balancing jugs atop their heads. The statues serve as a poignant representation of the cultural traditions and the resilience of the Romanian people. Sadly, the original statues fell victim to the ravages of time and were destroyed in the 1950s. However, in a remarkable display of dedication and artistry, the renowned sculptor Ionel Stoiceski undertook the task of reconstructing the statues in 2006. Utilizing his exceptional talent and expertise, Stoiceski breathed new life into the alley, restoring its beauty and ensuring the preservation of its cultural and historical significance. Today, Aleea Cariatidelor stands as one of the most cherished and important artistic landmarks in Bucharest. The alley's meticulous restoration, coupled with its rich history, has made it an essential destination for art enthusiasts, locals, and tourists alike. Visitors are captivated by the skillful craftsmanship of the statues and the stories they tell, offering a glimpse into the nation's past and its enduring cultural heritage. As one wanders along the Alley of the Caryatids, the serene ambience of Herăstrău Park envelopes the senses, providing the perfect backdrop for contemplation and appreciation. The statues stand as silent guardians, symbolizing the strength, resilience, and indomitable spirit of the Romanian people. One of the highlights of Herăstrău Park is the Dumitru Gusti National Village Museum. Established in 1936, this open-air ethnographic museum is a true treasure trove of Romanian culture and history. Spanning over 100,000 square meters, the museum showcases 123 authentic peasant settlements, 363 monuments, and over 50,000 artifacts from various regions of Romania. As you wander through the museum, you'll encounter traditional houses, farms, and structures that offer a glimpse into the daily lives and customs of Romanian villagers from the 17th to the 20th century. The museum provides a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the rich heritage of the country and gain a deeper understanding of its cultural tapestry. We will cover this on another video. The park is a safe, relaxing area just minutes away from the center of the Romanian capital. As we said before, visitors can explore the park by various means, including walking, cycling, or renting a boat. The park covers an area of 187 hectares and is a popular destination for locals and tourists. Have you been there? Share your impressions in the comments. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos add value to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more. Your support helps us grow Bestravelvideo and ensures we keep bringing you top-notch content. For more travel destinations with details and photos, go to our dedicated travel page, bestravelvideo.com. Before you leave, check out this captivating video.